Welcome to Take 5 with Archer Library, exploring Archer Library's website. I'm Diane Schrecker, Curriculum and Instruction Librarian and Head of the Instructional Resource Center at Archer Library. This tutorial provides an overview of the library's website and online resources. It features site navigation, research resources, and general library information. When visiting the library website during live reference hours, one of the first things you may see is the Ask a Librarian chat box. When a librarian is online, chat automatically opens. If you're working after reference hours, you can use our chat box to search the library facts page. The library website has three main areas: navigation, research, and Archer Library resources and information. There are two main navigation areas: quick links and on this page links. Informational quick links direct users to the library's faculty and staff directory, the Instructional Resource Center, and the library's instruction program. Selected page links direct users to library hours, the library's mission and vision statement, information about interlibrary loan, and library's upcoming events for students. The second area is research focused. It features OneSearch, a discovery layer or everything search for all content available to you. OneSearch will locate journals, articles, and ebooks, as well as online content from library databases. You'll find Archer Library's catalog and the OhioLink catalog. Search using the default Everything search, or select Advanced. Here you can view and customize your search, selecting the library catalog, OhioLink libraries, articles, ebooks, and more, or course reserves. You can also determine search filters and material types. Directly below OneSearch are three important links. First is Databases, which is the library's A to Z list. Next is Journal Finder, which provides access to locating specific journals. And last is a link to our collection of library guides. Welcome to Archer Library is the third area of our website, introducing library resources and information. Select the library event calendar to see what type of events, such as library instruction, activities, and displays, are available. Choose Schedule a Research Appointment to schedule a time to work with one of our reference people. Select Reserve a Library Space to reserve one of the library's study rooms or our new wellness space. Browse the library overview for information about the library and departments in Archer Library, such as the Writing Center, Academic Support, and Career Center. Stay connected with us by following us on social media. And explore our photo gallery for a virtual tour of the main floor. Next, look at our quick links to provide access to selected collections and resources, including archives and special books and government documents. Use Help and Resources to learn about circulation, library, and IRC facts and access your library account. And finally, Contact Us provides information for contacting different departments in Archer Library. Scroll through the rest of our website to view library hours and scheduled exceptions, the library mission and vision statement, information about general reserves, interlibrary loan, and again, upcoming library events. If you have questions about the library website, please feel free to contact me. You can also contact any of the librarians or staff for help with the website. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the library.